God, you are so sensitive.
Of course I am. I'm 6 years old. I feel everything, and I don't exactly know how to make sense of it all.
Okay, well, I wasn't this sensitive growing up. No way would my parents have put up with this.
I'm sure you were very sensitive growing up, and your parents probably acted like your emotions were a burden. You're still sensitive. You've just learned to cover it up with sarcasm and by acting like you're tough and hyper-independent.
Anyway, can't we just talk about something else?
Sure. Here's what I'm learning. I'm too sensitive, and that's a bad thing or something that makes me not lovable. Because I'm a highly sensitive child raised in a home where I'm shamed for it, I'm going to be very confused about what I feel and what I think when I grow up. This means I'll consistently feel misunderstood and like I'm just too much. I'm also going to believe that what I feel isn't actually valid because I'm the problem. This primes me for relationships where I'll be gaslit when I express how I feel. Then I'll second guess myself and wonder if it's me who's the one that's crazy.